Hi guys, I am Dr. Mohammad Asman, and today I will be talking about exploratory data analysis, data diagnostics part 2. And in this video, as previously we have studied different topics about data diagnostic and how you want to gauge the quality of the data visualization, and we have then seen an example of the effectiveness of the antibiotics. And today in this video we will talk about the Amazon mechanical Turk example, and we will see that how we can make different visualization according to the given data. So what if we have a data set of 200 rows and we have a Turker ID which is string, and we have the average completion rate which is in number format, and this was collected by 2009 by Heer and Bostock. And now as we have worked before, what questions we might ask on this data and what charts might provide the insight. So first of all, you can build up the questions on the paper, and we can check that what questions you can derive from it, and the charts will be available in the next slide, and we will be talking about different charts and what can be made on this data. So I have made some charts. First of all, I have made some box and whisker plot. If you see candid, it is about the Turker completion rate, and then we are talking about the minimum value and the maximum value, and it is providing us the median value. So first of all, we can make up a box plot on it, and now you can further analyze that this box plot is according to the graphical integrity principles or not, or it has less sinks or not, and you can apply all the 4 principles which we have read before. So basically when we talk about a data set, we derive some different questions. So if you have a box plot over here, what question you can derive from it? Like if I talk about an example question, what is the median or minimum maximum value of the Turker completion percentage? So that can be one research question that can be built up from this visualization. So sometime you might have data available, and you can check back that according to that data that visualization is accurate or not. Similarly, like if I convert into a dot plot, it will convert look like this one. It is the same one with the Turker completion rate, and then I will further change into with the reference line, and it will provide us the median or mean. So basically we can experiment on the data, and we can work on it to know that which visualization is accurate according to our given data. Similarly, like if I build up the histogram, you can see that there is a range of values, and it is the same Turker completion percentage. So what do you think, which percentage would be good about, or which visualization is good for this data according to the analysis or according to 2 set of rows? So you can see that there are 3 different visualizations which can be made up to till now on the just 2 columns, and when we have further more columns, then you can go up to different types of data. So 2 columns are enough to generate different visualizations or different data. Similarly, like if I work upon the 2 different Turker completion rate, we can work on the Quantile Plot. Basically it is used to compare the distributions, and in this one we are working on one assumption, and one is the theoretical distribution of our percentile completion rate, and the quantiles are basically the plotting against each other. So there is one median line which is telling us that which is above the line and which data is below the line. So basically similarly, like if the lines lie along the line, and it will be the potentially varying along the slope and intercept. If the lines are far away, the dots, basically the data is far away from the line, it means the data is far away from the completion rate. So basically this is generally used to find out the comparison between 2 data type. And if I further convert and change different uniform distribution of my data, like using the Gaussian distribution or fitted mixture of 3 Gaussians, so you can see that there is a change in data. So basically when you are working on different types of data, you can change the visualizations according to your analysis, and every different person will have a different analysis. Even when I build up the histogram and filter mix of 3 Gaussian data or uniform distribution, I can make up a new visualization. So if you have two different types of data, you can just combine this kind of data to make up a new visualization. So it's not necessary that you have 4 columns and you make up one visualization. You can make 2 different visualization, and you can combine them like this, like histogram and then the uniform distribution, you can make up a 3 Gaussian. Similarly, like you can build up the line chart, or with the histogram you can build up the scatter plot with the line chart. So basically these are the different distribution which you have to experiment and discover using the TableU software or the software you are using for your visualization. So in this case, even for the simple data, we can say that the lesson which we have learned that is that simple data or whatever must provide the insight again, or the depend on the or the questions can be tailored according to the choice of the data, but they are open to the surprises. Like if you combine 2 different data, it will be surprise for you to work on the different type of data, and different graphics can be used to understand or help the quality of different statistical model. Like if we are applying on the Gaussian model on the bar chart, then we are going to find the higher and lower percentile of that data, and also it will further lead to the verification of data it is according to the given requirements or not. So we can work on different models of the visualization, and we can analyze that which one is correct and which one is not according to our visualizations. So this was just an example and lesson learned from the second example. If you like this video, do visit my YouTube channel, and you can earn a certificate from my every video channel. The process is simple, and if you're taking this data visualization class with me, then you can also earn a data visualization certification. The process is same for. So what you are waiting for, go today to my YouTube channel and like and subscribe to it.